Fear. What is fear? Emotion caused by the belief that someone or something dangerous is likely to cause pain or a November, y'all. After 11 years, it's time to fear these things. Cause they back and it's Retro Thursday. Let's talk about it. Two family. What's good? What's going on with y'all, man? We are back, man, with another episode of Retro. I called it Flashback or Throwback Thursday on the last and first episode of this, but I'm gonna call it officially Retro Thursday, man. We are back at it, man. In this episode, y'all, I am bringing fear to you all, y'all. Fear the fours, because they are back, y'all. First time seeing this pair since 2013. Of course, I want to say they were inspired by the 2008 becoming legendary, what was it? It was the special by Michael Jordan, y'all. So that's where it did get its idea from. This shoe, alongside two other colorways and silhouettes, did release back in 2013. We of course did get the Fear 4s. Is there Fear 3s? No, Fear 4s, Fear 3s. There is Fear 3s. So Fear 3s, which we did see last year. We're getting the Fear 4s this year, and Fear 5s hopefully might pop up in 2025, y'all. Don't be surprised if it does happen. But yes, in this episode I will be showing you guys a on-feet look of the 2013 pair, as well as giving you guys an overview and my thoughts on how this upcoming retro pair will look, y'all. So November 9th as of right now is the set release date for the upcoming retro shoe, and I want to say they'll be around like 200 to 210, give or take, you know what I'm saying? But they're back. We're here to talk about it. Before we get into it, if it's your first time stopping through, rocking out with your boy Jay the Sneaker Guy, I need for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button down below, man. Join the family. Over here we do a lot of different things, man, and this is just one of them, man. If this is your first time, you know what I'm saying, rocking out because you've seen the Fear 4s and you was like, bruh, he got them Fear 4s already? Nope. Bro, I got the 2013 pair, but I mean, it's pretty much the same thing. But with me saying that, y'all, the episodes of Retro will be me showing you guys all the upcoming shoes that will be returning here within the next months or years or whatever it is, y'all. So, hey, tap in, leave a comment down below, y'all. Let me know what you want to see on next week's episode, and we gonna get it popping for y'all. But outside of that, man, we got to show y'all the shoe of the day and what is coming back and what's gonna put fear in y'all's hearts, man. Let's check them out. Woo! Yes, sir. Bang, man. So back in 2013, we didn't get special packaging, y'all. We didn't get any of the extras that we have now been getting in this day and age. However, I think that the Fear 4s that do retro in November will come with some sort of a special package, y'all. Y'all remember the Fear 3s? Those came in a special box. Got a nice little detailing on it, and it was pretty much identical to the OG, of course, when it came to the shoe, but we did get a special box on those 3s. So I look forward to seeing something special, since, you know, these boxes are a trend right now, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to the Fear 4s. But size tag did read Air Jordan 4 Retro. Color blocking was black, white, cool, gray, pure platinum. And look, y'all, look at this, man. Something that we do not see, y'all. It does have, y'all can't even make it out. But it does have a price, a suggested retail on here, y'all. These retailed for $175, y'all. $175. So we're looking at a $25 or more price increase when it does come to, of course, the 2024 pair. And here we have the kicks, y'all. Bang! So let me take them out, y'all. Get my presentation and everything right, y'all. Now look, I'm gonna tell y'all this. Look, these are what I consider to be beaters when it comes to my collection of shoes, because I keep my shoes like squeaky clean. And I had a little incident with these. I'll talk about it here in a second. I don't even know if I still got a little bit of a smudge on there, but I'll talk to y'all about that incident. But here we have them, y'all, the 2013 Jordan 4 Fears. Bang! Here they go, man. Definitely you can see the aging in the shoe, bro. Definitely you can see it, but overall, man, Fear 4s, y'all, are fire, man. I'm so excited to see the new pair that is retroing, of course, at the end of this year, y'all, because there have been pictures. I don't want to say that they're official images, but there have been images floating around showing us the 2024 or We in 24, I'm tripping. 2024 pair, and those are looking crispy, you know what I'm saying? Maybe it's just mine's is aged. I'm like, you know what I'm saying? But I can just look at my pair and just know that if this was in brand new condition, squeaky clean, because this is an 11-year-old shoe. They were manufactured. When were these manufactured, y'all? These were manufactured in 2013, of course. February through April. So 2-month production on these, man. Like I said, it's an 11-year-old shoe, and you can see the wear and tear on it, y'all. Like I was telling you guys earlier, I had a little situation where I did spill, y'all. I spilled some soda on it. You can kind of see it right there, man. I cleaned it up the best that I can, but that is a stain, y'all. I spilled some soda on my shoes. I didn't literally like spill it, it splashed, and I was like, dang, it got on my insole, which was the white part, and I was kind of sick about that. But you know, I'm glad that they're coming back, because I will be able to get me a fresh, clean, new pair of these in the collection, man. Now, when you take a look at it, y'all, it is a unique Jordan 4 colorway, man. If you look, you do have, of course, the sparkling on the back half of the shoe back here. You do got the red in bubble right there, and we got the white hits on the front. White hits. It's kind of a gray, to be honest with you. It's kind of a gray. The outsole bottom is a white. So you got the white that was on the bottom, and a little bit of it went up to the top, but it does have a layer of gray, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully we'll see how they do this new remastered pair. And bro, what year? Bro, I'm tripping right now, y'all. We in 24. I'm tripping. I don't know why I feel like we're in 2023, or I'm just having a moment, y'all. But yeah, man, for the 2024 pair, y'all, I want to see how they do it. But back tab, as you can see, does have the black back tab with the Jumpman on them, man. Let's take a look at these, you know what I'm saying, on feet real quick, man. And I'll get back to some more details of these. But taking a look at them on feet, just such a clean Jordan 4. Every time I wear them, bro, every time I wear them, people even question what Jordan 4s are those. A lot of people don't know about the Fear 4s, man. I think that will be a good selling shoe, depending on, you know, I want to say how many eyes get a good look at it prior to them releasing, you know. If they get early pairs out, a lot of people have them, you know. I feel like that shoe will do pretty good, because of course it is a Jordan 4. We cannot knock any Jordan 4s and say, oh, 4s is dying. Nah, man, 4s is not dying. They are still buying, you know what I'm saying? So, but definitely a clean pair of Jordan 4s, and I think that, you know, those are gonna sell pretty good when they do release. All over black colorway with the white and gray hits. Very easy to style up, so I think that those will move. But enough of the on feet for now, y'all. We will come back to our on feet at the end of the video, so stay tuned, watch the full video. But back to the shoe, as you can see, it does have the black caging on the side. You do got the gray hits on the upper. Of course, you got the soft gray outlining right there. Then you got the darker gray on the upper, and then it turns into a black. So you got like the 3-tone. You got the light gray, the medium gray, then a black. You know what I'm saying? I love how that color contrast on these. And just think about it, y'all. When that new pair arrives, y'all, we're gonna have the all white. Mine's is kind of cream, bro, because it's dirty. That's why I said I call these beat, in my opinion. My shoes don't normally look like this, but this interior insole area will be like a pure white, you know what I'm saying? The bottom will be a pure white, so it's gonna look so much polished, and I am here for it. I'm ready to see it. I might go as far as saying I might double up on them, y'all. I might double up on them, but yeah, man, the Fear 4s are returning this year, so be ready. November 9th is the release date as of right now. I, as well as a lot of other people, might be popping up with some pairs here in the next 2 months. I give it about 2 months, then some early pairs from Nike will be out, and I'm here to get my hands on them, man. So stay tuned for that. But comment down below, what is your thoughts on the Jordan 4 Fears, man? They are back. They are back. And yes, they made it to this week's episode of Retro. Thank y'all for watching. Comment down below if you guys like this series, and let me know what shoe I need to bring next week. You know what I'm saying? Do I need to bring Shatterback Boys? Do I need to bring Flu Game 12s? Do I need to y'all just let me know. Comment down below anything that's releasing and that I might have in my collection. I will show you guys a previous version of it. We'll do the on feet and all that good stuff. But clean shoe, y'all let me know what it's gonna do. Are these gonna sit, or are these gonna sell out? I am here for it, and like I said, I might go as far as saying I'm doubling up. But that is it. I will be back at y'all tomorrow. Got an early look for y'all. If y'all haven't checked out my video from yesterday, man, my on feet of the Jordan 11 Low Diffuse Blues, which is set to be releasing this weekend, check that video out, y'all. It is up And I think that's a decent shoe. I think it's a sleeper. It's one of them double back shoes where you kind of be like, I don't want them now, but when you see them on feet a little bit later, you're gonna be like, bruh, why did I sleep on those? That's one of those shoes. But yes, Fear 4s. Let's throw them on feet. Let's end the video. Thank y'all for watching another episode of Retroed with your boy Jay. And I'm gone. Y'all stay blessed. To the next one, y'all. Peace.
Check out the JayTheGo. Check out the JayTheGo. Check out the JayTheGo. Oh, check out the. Let's walk on my Harlem JayTheGo. Let's walk on my JayTheGo. Let's walk on my balls. Let's walk on my balls. JayTheGo. Balls. JayTheGo. JayTheGo. Balls. Let's walk on my balls. Let's walk on my balls. Let's walk on my. Let's walk on my. Let's walk on my Harlem JayTheGo. Let's walk on my. Let's walk on my JayTheGo. Balls. Let's walk on my Harlem JayTheGo. Let's walk on my JayTheGo. Let's walk on my. Harlem JayTheGo. Harlem JayTheGo. Let's walk on my JayTheGo. Let's walk on my JayTheGo.